Texas Amber Alert.
The Beeville Police Department is searching for Jeremiah Thomas, black male, 9 years old, date of birth January 11th, 2011, 4 feet 6 inches, 65 pounds, black hair, brown eyes. Police are looking for Shannon Delia Thomas, Hispanic, female, 32 years old, date of birth February 12th, 1988, 5 feet 4 inches, 130 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes in connection with his abduction. The suspect is driving a stolen green 2014 Chevrolet Sonic with a Texas license plate number of GCW5960. The suspect was last heard from in Beeville, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Beeville Police Department. News media point of contact is Beeville Police Department at 361-358-8100. End of message.